Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and this is my own analysis on what I think BTC is most likely going to do, or Ethereum. Now we have um, two major charts right here. We'll have one somewhere around here. I have a chart right here. We'll have another chart right here. Two charts, right? Good. Now this chart This chart is the market cap of USDT dominance. Okay, USDT dominance, meaning how dominant is USDT stable coin is against Bitcoin or altcoins. All right, beautiful, amazing. Now, here's the drill, guys. Here's the drill. From my own perspective, I'm using SMC strategy to figure out the local bottoms of BTC and Ethereum. But in this case, I'm not going to be making this video based on Bitcoin. It's going to be strictly on Ethereum. All right. Now we'll have right here, we'll have BTC USDT. Of course, we have ETH USDT, both of them. Now I'm going to explain something. I'm going to explain a cycle to you. Now, the reason why you see that Bitcoin drops in value is because the dominance of USDT, or what we call the BTC dominance or stablecoin dominance, is increasing. I often say this, and a lot of persons think that I'm just, you know, talking based off from normal analysis. No, this is not your regular kind of analysis. All right, this is basically correlation and SMC, the strongest technical analysis, or what we call advanced TA. Correlation and SMC, smart money concept. Now, in essence, what I'm saying is that when BTC drops, logically, it means that investors are pulling out their money. I'm going to show you real life demonstration right here and what exactly it is. It means investors are what? Pulling out their funds. Investors are what? Pulling out their what? Funds. They're pulling out their money, and they are taking it out to what? Stable coins. Now, the reason why investors are taking out their money from Bitcoin or altcoins, which is Ethereum and the others, is because they feel that a crash is about to happen out of fear. Now, a lot of you must have heard about fear and greed index. All right, fear and greed index. Now, this is the major reason why investors pull out their funds and try to secure it in stable coins. All right, stable coins. Now, from this portion here, you can see the top chart. You can see this chart right here. You can see this zone. Can you see the red zone right here? Can you see this red zone? Now, at that point, it's called a discount level. Now, at that discount level is a clear indication that sellers are what? Dominant at that level. Sellers are what? Dominant at that what? Level. All right? This is a live chart I'm showing you right now. Sellers are dominant at that level, and that is for the USDT dominance. Now, at this point, you're going to see something different. I'm using my SMC indicators now. You're going to see that this is a discount level, meaning buyers are what? Practically what? Dominant at that level. And you find out that anytime price comes to this point, it shoots up to the upside. Do you get it now? It bounces up to the what? Upside. Now, listen, guys. Yeah, exactly. So basically, we'll have a discount level and we'll have a premium level. Now, you can see at this point right here, if you are good with PA, you should know that we have what we call a double top appearing here. Okay, appearing somewhere there at that discount level. Now, the double top formation is a reversal pattern, and it's showing you that price wants to start what crashing towards the downside. Okay, it's a double top formation, meaning that what we couldn't make a higher high, and there's no more buying pressure to push the price upwards. All right, beautiful. Now, understanding this alone shows you that you already understand that investors, when I mean investors, I mean whales, the smart money guys, the people who have the big bucks, they are pulling out their money. They are scared. The market is ruled by emotions, fear and greed. Okay? It's ruled by what? Emotions, fear and what? Greed. Now they are scared that if they invest into these assets, price is going to what? Come down. So they'll rather pull it out and keep it in stable coins, pending when they feel that the market is more stable for them to invest in. Okay, so basically that's just what it is. Now, you can see price here coming down to this point. Price is going to come down to this point. Let me show you something. See price coming down to this point, this level right here, and most likely going to retest this top again, somewhere around here. It's going to retest that top and then crash down again up to this what equilibrium level. All right, up to that equilibrium what level. This is the equilibrium level, somewhere around here. So price is going to crash down after going up to retest this level. That's for the USDT dominance. And when that happens, Bitcoin will what? When this drops, Bitcoin will eventually pump. Altcoins will pump, because investors now will be removing their funds from stable coins into what? Assets. They'll be investing. They'll be willing to invest their money. All right. So it's basically a cycle. It's basically a cycle. But as it stands, this is the 1 week time frame. It is actually better you actually wait for a close of a weekly candle, because formations like this work best in higher time frames. Do you get the gist now? It works best in higher time frames. So basically what I'm saying is that BTC or Ethereum are inversely correlated to USDT dominance. Okay, if USDT dominance is going up, Bitcoin will come down. If Bitcoin is going up, USDT dominance comes down, and vice versa. So basically, that is just how the market works. It's very simple. As it stands now, I'd rather want to take a short position on Ethereum or Bitcoin, and then wait for this retest. So when the USDT dominance this level, retests this level, hopefully, you can see this green candle right here already forming. You see it? Now, if this actually retest that level, retest that zone, meaning that Ethereum is plunging towards the downside from here. Okay, and it's going to end up somewhere out 1070 something. All right, there's no prediction I've given on BTC Ethereum that doesn't respect this setup. It must respect it, because this is not just technical analysis, this is correlation. This is you knowing what investors are doing. This is a secret that a lot of persons will not put out there on YouTube. This is actually what smart money concept is. All right. So peace out. Cheers to you all. Digest this information. Make good use of it as much as you can. More videos will be coming up soon. My copy trading has issues. That is why I've not been able to post trades on BitGet, but that will be resolved very soon. For those of you who want to subscribe to the VIP session on Signals, send a DM to get yourself into the community, okay? Community of active traders, and let's make some good money before the end of the year. Peace out. Love you. Bless.